input command in Splunk search processing language is used to configure data inputs dynamically. It controls how data is collected from various sources and ingested into Splunk. Inputs allow you to specify what data you want to bring in and how to handle it, enabling flexibility in managing your data pipeline. The input commands play a key role in filtering, formatting, and routing data within Splunk. Streaming commands operate on each event individually. For example, using a val with if condition allows tagging events based on their status, such as labeling success or error events. The where command filters events that match a certain condition. Since streaming commands do not require the entire dataset, they perform efficiently by processing data as it flows. Non-streaming commands need access to the whole dataset before processing. For instance, the stats command calculates counts or summaries by grouping events once all data is received. The sort command reorders the results based on a field, like sorting by descending counts. These commands are crucial for in-depth data analysis, but may take more time as they wait for completion. Splunk SPL, the basic syntax to specify data input, starts with the index followed by search terms. The index identifies the data store location. You can filter data by specifying fields like source or status. Lookup tables can also be accessed using input lookup commands. Combining these elements allows for precise targeting and retrieval of data from Splunk's input commands in SPL save or export search results to specific destinations. For example, the collect command sends summarized data into a summary index for efficient reporting. The output lookup command writes results to a lookup file that can be reused in other searches. These commands are essential for organizing and making data reusable within Splunk. Search commands refine the data retrieved from indexes. You can filter events using field value pairs, apply wildcard matching to capture a range of values, and combine filters using Boolean operators like AND, OR, and NOT. The IN operator allows matching multiple values in one expression, enhancing the flexibility and precision of stats command in SPL is used to aggregate data by calculating metrics such as count, sum, minimum, and maximum. It groups data by specified fields to summarize large datasets into insightful metrics. This command is fundamental for generating reports and understanding trends by aggregating event-level data into meaningful.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.